Is this food making you hungry? It's no surprise. Hunger can be triggered not just by our need for food, but by the sight and smell it. Even just thinking about food can stimulate food-seeking behavior. When we are hungry, our body responds in a number of ways. When you are hungry, you often feel your stomach rumbling. After a couple of hours without food, the organ begins contracting to push whatever food remains into the intestines. The rumbling is called boboborygmus. When food is lacking, cells in the stomach and intestine will also produce ghrelin, a hormone that produces feeling of hunger. At the same time, levels of leptin, an appetite-suppressing hormone produced by the fat cells, will go down. Ghrelin communicates with the hypothalamus in the brain, which regulates our basic body functions. The vagus nerve sends signals to the brain about how full or empty our stomach is, as well as relaying the amount of nutrients in our intestines. Neurotransmitters, such as neuropeptide Y, are released, sending message to various parts of the brain in order to stimulate our appetite. Key nutrients in your body, such as glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids, will be at their lowest when you're hungry. This can have a big effect on the brain. An empty stomach increases your impulsiveness and makes it harder for you to make long-term decisions. You might also get hungry, where a lack of food leads to you feeling irritable. Carbohydrate breaks down into glucose, which is required to make your brain function properly. When blood glucose levels are low, our bodies perceive we are in a life-threatening situation. The brain starts sending message to our organs and glands to increase blood sugar levels. One of these, the adrenal gland, releases the stress hormones cortisol and adrenaline, triggering our fight or flight response. All these body responses are triggered by an actual need for the food.